Hey guys, you're going to learn about concatenating strings. This one is a very simple concept. Concatenating strings is basically adding two or more strings together to make one big string. Just use a plus sign between the strings you want to add together. Here's an example. If I wanted to print hello world to the terminal, I could use hello as one string and world as a separate string, and then add those strings together, like this. I would write print open brackets and put hello inside quotation marks. Hello is my first string. Then I will put a plus sign and then put space world inside quotation marks, which is my second string. Notice that I put a space before world because I want there to be a space. Without a space, this is what the output would look like. So, when I run the code, you can see that it prints out hello world and adds the two strings together. That's how you add strings.